In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in PowerPoint slides. This is a simple but very useful feature that helps you focus on specific details while editing or presenting your slides more effectively. Whether you're working on small text, images, or overall layout, adjusting the zoom level can make your workflow much smoother. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Once your slides are visible, take a look at the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. You'll find a zoom slider there, which allows you to quickly adjust how large or small your slide appears on the screen. To zoom in, simply click and drag the slider to the right. As you move it, your slide will become larger, making it easier to see fine details like text formatting or image alignment. If you want to zoom out, drag the slider to the left. This will shrink the slide view, allowing you to see more of the overall layout at once. Another way to control zoom is by using the zoom percentage indicator next to the slider. You can click on the percentage value, and a zoom dialog box will appear. From there, you can choose a specific zoom level, such as 100% for a normal view, or select options that fit the slide to your window. You can also use your mouse for a quicker method. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. This shortcut is especially helpful when you want to make quick adjustments without moving your cursor to the slider. If you're presenting your slides, keep in mind that zooming works differently in slideshow mode. Instead of changing the overall view, you can zoom into a specific part of the slide to emphasize certain content. This is useful when you want your audience to focus on a particular detail during your presentation. Using zoom effectively can improve both your editing and presentation experience. It helps you stay precise when designing slides and keeps your audience engaged when presenting. And that's how you zoom in and out in PowerPoint slides. With just a few simple methods, you can easily control how your slides appear on screen. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.